you can see I can push on this all day long and I'm not going to start seeing creases that are just magically showing up because the granules are lodged in there. So let me take a photo of that, before and after. And then now we're going to see the shingles get creases that are showing up. You can see granule loss that's there as well. We're about to see a bunch more. All right. You see crease showing up there. Again, right there. Every single one, I'm guessing, is going to be crease. Yeah. Yeah, so we've got, let me count them up and actually draw around it where we're seeing these creases at. I can find my soapstone. Yeah, so we've got it right there. I'm just going to draw on the bottom part where we're seeing it. Right there. There. That one's very bad. Right there. Right there. There. Yeah. So every single one that we've got on it, above it, has failed. So we've got a 3 out of 7. This is a fail repair attempt. We cannot complete the repairs on your roof because they will leave your roof in worse condition. So that's the end of this video here. I'm going to take some photos of this.